Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Diamond Paints with Mike here at your service art. And I love delivery day because it's the day where we get to see our new products for the first time and our new paintings. Now, just before we start this video, I do just want to give a massive shout out to Craft Granny. Yes, Craft Granny is just got into like diamond painting, and she had, I think it was a turtle on her wall, or one of the short videos maybe she did, or I know she's done a turtle somewhere, and I had to get this, and I was browsing, as you know, on Vinted, and I just coincidentally put in turtle because I saw it on a channel. I was like, oh, I've got to get another turtle. So I thought I'd get this one. The seller only wanted £1.50, so I thought that was an absolute bargain. So this video is for you, Craft Granny, because I know you love your turtles. So inside here we have a package very nicely wrapped. You know, a lot of care has gone into this. This is what we call craft paper, a typical material we use in the selling industry. And as you can see, they've used lovely double wrap, blue, so lovely brown tape, and very nicely wrapped here at the edge. So I'm going to use my little... I think I might have to get a new one of these because you're supposed to yank it right up the top, but it's lost its grip thing. So I might have to get another one. Now I've got to try and make a careful incision in here without going actually through the canvas. So yeah, okay, lovely. So this actually, I've just picked this up from the locker because they said that they did impo. So I was like, yay, I can send it to the locker. So it saves me getting off the train, going to my mum's, picking it up. I can just finish work, come direct home, go to the locker, job done. You know, so let's get into here. Lovely. So let's see what we got in here. Looks really big, doesn't it? It's probably like a 40 times 50. Let's try and get that up a little bit more if we can. It's quite big, so I reckon a 40 times 50 this one. And in here we have, oh look, I can see it. Oh, look at that turquoise. Oh wow. Oh wow, can you see it, guys? It's a turtle. Oh, this already looks lovely. So look at the size of this. This is humongous. Oh wow. And in here we have, oh, this looks brand new. £1.50. She's done me a bargain here. That's amazing. And it was sent out like next day. Oh my god, this is... Oh my god, look at all that blue and lovely colour blocking. Bloody hell, this is going to be a good one. Oh, wow, wow, wow. So let's get into the painting itself because thanks to Craft Granny, I've got back into turtles again. And look at that. Isn't that so cute? It is a turtle. Oh, it's a 30 times 35. But look at all this colour block going on. All of that, look, we're going to whiz by this. Now, I was a bit concerned when I bought this that it would have been pixelated. It's not that bad. It's pixelated in some places, but it's not that bad. It beautiful, beautiful ocean sort of seawater there. And as you can see, it's got the sand on the bottom of the ocean, and perhaps we've got a flower or so. Because if you look up here, that is supposed to be like a... probably in the middle of the ocean under the water, because some oceans do have sand at the bottom, but this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm super impressed with this. 22 colours here on the schematic. I think it's going to be very, very beautifully done, very vibrant in places, and near enough every sort of segment is colour block apart from here. Now looking down here, that's going to do my head in, because as you can see, it's a lot of swapping and changing here. Q's and U's, but looking at that, I would just assume that's all white, and you got to be careful because that's where it tricks you out, because you've got U here and then Q there. But this is absolutely, I'll tell you what, I'm very impressed with this. I'm very happy with my purchase. I have never done, I don't think I've ever done a 35 times 35 before. It does look a little bit big. I know Liz Harrison likes to measure hers, just to clarify, it is the same size, but what do you guys think? I think it's a little bit bigger than the 35, you know. I don't know. Let's have a look at my... I've got a butterfly down here. That's... let's have a look at this, because I think that's a 35. Oh, yeah. So I have got another 35. I just haven't got round to doing it yet. So yeah, that's gorgeous. Absolutely love it. So let's get into the jewels that we've got here. So we've got ourselves our little bag. As you can see, the little bag, the little boat. So excited. I don't know how to... I can't get it out, Mike. I'm so excited about it that I'm getting all jumbled up. We've got a boat there, classic boat, and look at our colours. Oh man, I love this. And the fact that I got it on a really good deal as well. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So we've got some lovely colours in this. So let's get into where we need. Oh, look at that blue. Oh, baby. Love it. So let's take a look at the colours. So we have a lovely little sort of grey blue there. A very manky colour there. I don't like that. Seaweed sort of colour, would you say? We got a black, we've got a green, we've got a grey, we've got a beigey brown colour, we've got a grey, we've got a yellow, and we have a couple of browns there, a bit of a honeycomb sort of colour going on here. And then we have, so this is got a bit tangled up here. Then we have a sandy white, and we've got a grey sort of colour, dark brown, a very beautiful minty green there. We've got a sandy sort of beachy white, and we've got a probably a wasabi. Wasabi is like a very hot sort of crunchy pea here so like your garden peas. Wasabi is a very spicy pea that you eat over here. It's mainly found in snacks because they're hard, wasabi. And then we've got a dark browny black there, a very sort of glow in the dark white there. I need to get a glow in the dark painting, you know, that's one of my goals, to get one of them. I've always wanted to try a glow in the dark and just never really got round to it. We've got a light blue and we've got a green here, so that's that. And we also have we have our 3865s there, and this gorgeous blue. I love it. So yes, I had to get that for Craft Granny because me and her share the same vibe with turtles. I think it was Craft Granny that had it. Although, thinking now, I don't actually know if it was someone else, but I'm pretty damn sure it was Craft Granny. But what do you think of this, Craft Granny? It's super cool. I love it. It's so nice. I want to start it straight away. It's really, really beautiful. And could you imagine that in like my bathroom, like on the wall with that sea theme that I want to do? That is just fantastic. I absolutely love it. This is beautiful. She's going to get really good feedback. I'm going to give her the money now because on Vinted we have a button that comes up that says click, check your order, press everything's okay. If you open it and it doesn't match what you've bought on the description, you can there's a button that says report a problem and it blocks the order. It basically suspends it, and because the seller don't get their money until we've confirmed it's okay. So it's quite frustrating. I get it all the time, you know, people have to wait for I have to wait for the money, you know, I've got to send out the goods before I get the payment. But it is what it is. It is frustrating for the seller having to wait for their money, you know. So yeah, but it's really, really so beautifully done. I'm gonna have to get some some turtle washi tape for this because oh man, I really want to get into this now. It is that nice. This is the thing with paintings, like some you get you just put in the stash, some you get you want to get it out, kit it up straight away. But oh, I love this, and I think the yellow will bring it out quite nice, but I'm so excited to see how the blue and white go together. But yeah, I hope you like that, Craft Granny. That's for you. So please remember to like, share, subscribe. That's brought to you by Vinted. And this was from a new supplier, not the supplier that I normally use. And she's got a hell of a lot of stuff, this new supplier. So I think I might get some more from her. She's got a very, very nice one that I'm after as well. But anyway, have a lovely day. I think that's like a little pyramid here. You see it's going like that? And the lovely shadow effect as well. But anyway, enough blabbering on. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap that notification bell. You'll be notified when a video pops up on the channel. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. It's totally free of charge. So what are you waiting for? Until then, have a lovely day. Catch you later.